Hey there, welcome in a tech comparison of the specs of the JBL Live 770NC versus the Sony 720N and what are the differences. So the primary thing is that the JBL Live got higher weight comparing to Sony, so therefore the Sony is better in this regard. Then you're gonna have driver size is better for JBL Live 40 millimeters. Then the frequency is the same, the ohms are the same. Now the sound technology, it's a tie because they offer different kind of sound technology. Then you're gonna have noise cancelling. This is better for the JBL Live. Now when we're gonna go further, the JBL Live got also better battery life comparing to Sony. You're gonna have up to 65 hours, 50 hours off, and so on. And you're gonna have only up to 35 hours for the Sony. Then you're gonna have the quick charge is better for the JBL Live, Bluetooth version JBL Live, multi-port connection same, Alexa voice integration same, and features I can really say like maybe JBL Live, but it really depends what you're looking for. And now you see also the price is higher for the JBL Live. So this really depends what you want, but if you want to have like the weight you want to have lower, go with Sony, right? If you don't mind that you're gonna have less battery life and also you're gonna have maybe a little bit better, a little bit worse noise cancelling, the Sony can, and if you like the brand, go with Sony. But other than that, the battery life, the noise cancelling, the quick charge, the additional features is just better for JBL Live. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.